Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Breaking news. The Shiba Inu has been on the market long enough to attract some of the biggest corporations in the world. And they may have just signed a deal to collaborate with Apple, the biggest business on the planet. You must view this if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shiba tokens. Why is Apple using the Shiba Inu coin then? And how will it impact Shiba Inu's market value? The fresh price-boosting information regarding Shiba Inu that has recently surfaced will be revealed, along with my answers to these queries, in today's video. Shiba Inu still has a very high chance of making you a billionaire. You should watch the entire movie to catch all the price-boosting information, because I put a lot of study into it. Nevertheless, before we discuss our topic, let's look at the chart and see how the price of Shiba is performing as of April 19th. Shiba now costs roughly 1122 units. Shiba's price has dropped 1.5% during the past day, with $289 million worth of trades. The token is now the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market cap of approximately $6.5 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. There are 549 million SHIB coins in circulation. On the other hand, coin burns are causing this number to decline daily. The initial supply of the token was 1 quadrillion. You must register with MEXC Global if you want to purchase, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. You can receive up to $9,100 in free cryptocurrency if you sign up through the link in my description. Guys, be mindful of scammers posing as the channel in the comments. We don't have Telegram or WhatsApp. Now, before we get on to the main plot of the film, we must first inform you of the most recent Shiba Inu cryptocurrency news that has occurred recently. Now let's get started without wasting any time. The 10 most active Shiba Inu communities were listed. One of the most active communities in the crypto scene is the Shiba Inu community, often known as SHIB Army, due to its solid social presence and robustness. Shiba Inu is currently among the 10 assets with the most engaged communities based on social engagements, cementing its position among the top 10 assets. A renowned social intelligence tool, Lunar Crush, reportedly just published a list of the top 10 assets based on the most recent day's social activity. Shiba Inu are listed as being the 7th-ranked assets on the list. According to data from the Lunar Crush platform, Shiba Saki has 123.58 million social interactions during the course of the last day. Also, during this time, Shiba has received up to 33.8 thousand social media mentions. These social mentions have been influenced by the enthusiasm surrounding token burns and the accomplishments of PuppyNet, the Shibarium beta network. Even though social media mentions no longer affect price, Shiba Inu have noticed a spike in investor interest. New investors can also help raise the price of the project. High social activity surrounding an asset can spur an increase in investor interest, and this is also true in the case of Shiba Inu. Investor interest in Shiba Inu has significantly increased, as shown by the stock's trade volume during the previous week. It would be greatly appreciated if you could click the like button if you are still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. Keep an eye on the news about Shiba Inu coin as well. Play to Earn Web3 by Shiba Inu to support Shiboshi NFTs recently. The Shiba Inu community, also referred to as the SHIB Army, assembled in Twitter Spaces to talk about implementing Ryoshi's idea for CryptoSpace. The discussion primarily highlighted Shiba Eternity's blockchain implementation, the use of Shiboshi NFTs, and NFT collection. 10,000 pixelated dog avatars are available in Shiboshis, the official NFT collection of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which is designed to offer special benefits to community members. Shiba Eternity was supposed to feature the Shiboshis, but neither Shiba is supported in the current version's new NFT collections. In SHIB the Metaverse, in the Twitter Spaces that Lucy and Shibarium co-host, Shiboshis will play a significant role. Also, nobody brought up the most recent SHIB token advancements in relation to NFT compatibility. The blockchain game allows members of Shiboshi's social club and Welly NFT to utilize their NFT as a hero. Due to the 10,000 Shiboshi cap, some blockchain gamers find it challenging to play the Web3 version of Shiba Eternity. With the launch of Shiba Eternity on the blockchain, a solution to this issue will be provided by Shiboshi's renting system. Once the number of wallet addresses on the Shibarium testnet reaches 11 million, its utility skyrockets. The Shiba Inu ecosystem's Layer 2 protocol is becoming more and more useful, and it is observing a sharp increase in the number of interacting wallet addresses. Shibarium Beta Pulpinet has 3.2 million total transactions and 412,000 total blocks, according to PuppyScan. Also, there are 11.1 million active wallet addresses. You stated today that as of April 14th, there were more than 4 million wallets. In just 4 days, this amounts to a rise of more than 170%. Shibarium and its gas token BONE are still gaining popularity. The Shibarium gas token will soon be supported on the DOX platform, a Dubai-based cryptocurrency exchange. Without a Shibarium token, Shiba Inu leader cautions Shiba Inu lead. Shiba Inu enthusiasts have been warned by Satoshi Kusama to be wary of tokens with his name or likeness. In his customary style, he claims to have no connection to any of these tokens. He advises Shiba Inu users to do their homework to avoid being conned. He further cautions that, as Shibarium is a Layer 2 blockchain, there is no official Shibarium token. Don't be duped. I am not associated with any token using my name or face improperly. Similarly, there isn't a recognized Shibarium token. Since Shibarium is a Layer 2 blockchain, Huzama wrote, any you see are very suspicious. Let's now go into the video's major plot. Through a new relationship, Shiba Inu teams up with a billion-dollar firm to make Shiba available to millions of clients. BitPay, a significant cryptocurrency payment gateway, recently announced a partnership with London-based fintech firm Ramp Network to enable clients to use Ramp Network checkout to buy any of the over 20 accepted cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu. The feature enables immediate delivery for cryptocurrency purchases made with fiat through BitPay's web or mobile application. Customers only need to adhere to a straightforward procedure laid out by BitPay in order to buy SHIB with Ramp Network via BitPay. The company has already partnered with a number of payment providers like Simplex, Wire, and MoonPay to broaden its payment alternatives and meet the unique demands of its clients. This most recent innovation is part of BitPay's continued efforts to offer its consumers a diverse range of payment options. Recently, BitPay has garnered attention for its collaboration with the luxury watchmaker Hublot, which now takes Shiba as payment for its timepieces. In addition, BitPay created a function in June 2022 that lets customers buy Apple products with SHIB and other assets, and in October 2022, it gave consumers the opportunity to buy SHIB using prepaid cards. Due to the fact that they offer a wide range of different payment options, these integrations and partnerships have made SHIB purchases quite simple for investors. Shiba Inu can now be used to purchase Apple products, and it's possible that many more businesses will follow suit. This is so that other businesses won't replicate Apple's strategy and start taking payment in Shiba Inu. As a result, there would be a sharp rise in demand and buying activity, driving the price of the token to all-time highs. Also, it appears that there may be